In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily create a professional online store using Shopify. If you're looking to set up an online store effortlessly, you're in the right place, as Shopify offers a simple, user-friendly interface that's perfect for beginners. To start your journey with Shopify, head over to shopify.com and click on the Create for Free button. Shopify provides a generous 3-day trial for each new store you create. This is a fantastic opportunity to explore the platform, try your hand at creating your store, and assess if Shopify aligns with your vision for your online business. Once you've set up your initial store, the next big step involves selecting a theme template from Shopify's extensive theme store. This is where the visual essence of your online store starts to take shape. Begin by clicking on Online Store in the left-hand panel. From there, select Themes to get started on your design journey. At the top right, you'll see an option labeled Import Theme. Click on this to access Shopify's theme store. Here, you'll find a wide array of themes to choose from, both free and paid. When selecting a theme, you'll want to be mindful of its features and customization options. Remember, some themes may have limited functionality compared to others, so choose one that best suits your business needs and aesthetic preferences. You can click on any theme that catches your eye to preview a full version of it. This preview allows you to see exactly how your store will appear to your customers, providing a critical opportunity to assess if it matches your brand identity. If you like what you see, you can easily add the theme to your store. Simply click Add if the theme is free, or proceed with purchasing it if it's a paid theme. After adding your selected theme, it's time to implement it on your store. Return to your admin dashboard. This is your command center for managing your Shopify store. Once again, click on Themes, located on the left-hand panel. Here, you'll see the newly added theme waiting to be published. Simply select Publish on this theme to make it live on your store. And just like that, you've successfully chosen and implemented a design template for your online store. With this new theme in place, your store is ready to captivate your visitors and convert them into customers. Follow these straightforward steps, and you'll be on your way to running a professional, visually appealing, and functional online store. Remember, the key to success in e-commerce is not just having great products, but also providing an engaging shopping experience for your customers. Good luck with your Shopify store.